Explain question set 4. There is a scenario and 4 questions. The scenario is you have given the institute to develop the school system of Kegalu Mahavidyalaya. Your part in this software is to create a database. With this software, you can easily manage all student information, all teacher information, class schedules, etc. The first task is use Kegalu Vidyalaya DB as the name of the database. Draw ER diagram. Second question is create a table store student information and their guardian information. Follow the instruction below when creating this table. So there are student table and given all the column names, data types and lengths for the student table, and there's a guardian table, and they have given column name, data types and lengths for the guardian table. Third question is name the relationship between the two tables, student and guardian, that you set up above. Mark it in the ER diagram you created. Fourth question is a teacher teaches several subjects and one subject teaches several teachers. Create a teacher and subject table using the appropriate relationship. Follow the instruction below to create this table. Create an ER diagram. So you have to create this teacher table and the subject table and define the relationship between teacher table and the subject table. To do these tasks, I am going to use MySQL Workbench. In MySQL Workbench, you can create ER diagrams by clicking on Files and New Model. It will open up a new tab. In here, double click MyDB and give the database name. And in here, and close this tab. And now this will change to Kegalu Vidyalaya DB. To create diagram, double click on this add diagram. In here, we can create the necessary tables. To create tables, click on this icon and click on this sheet. To edit this table or to add information, double click on this table. Double click on this entity. And now in here we can add the information about the table. I am first going to add student table, student name, student column name. The first column is index number, and this is the primary key of this database. Second column is first name. Third column is last name. Both are Vacha and max length is 45. And next is gender, contact number. Both gender and contact number Vacha max length 10. Last column is address, Vacha 60. Close this tab, and now the entity is created. Next entity is guardian. I am going to repeat the same steps. Double click on here, give the name guardian. This is the guardian ID, is the primary key. Both Vaj, first name Vaj and last name Vaja, and max length 45. Gender max length 10, Vaja. Contact number max length 10, Vaja. Now both tables are created. The third question is name the relationship between the two tables, student and guardian, that you set up above. Mark it in the ER diagram. So the relationship between these two tables are one to many. A guardian can have many students or one or many students. One or many students can have only one guardian. So this is a one to many relationship. To create the relationship, I'm going to click on this icon In here, first we have to click on the many side. This is student is the many side and guardian is the one side. Now the relationship is created one to many, as you can see. One guardian can have one or many students. One or many student can have only one guardian. So fourth question. Fourth question is a teacher teaches several subjects and one subject teaches several teachers. Create a teacher and a subject table using the appropriate relationship. Follow the instruction below to create this table. First, I am going to create these two tables. I'm going to repeat the same steps. Click on this icon and click on this sheet and double click and give the name, table name here, teacher registration number Vacha 10. This is the primary key. First name, last name, both max length 45 Vacha. Gender max length 10 Vacha. Contact number max length 10 Vacha. Email Vacha 50. Close this tab and the teacher entity is created. Next, going to repeat the same steps for subject to create the subject table. Give here the name subject ID Vacha 10. This is the primary key and subject name Vacha 45. Close this and the subject table is also created. So they ask, next we have to define the relationship between these two tables. So in here, in this line, it says a teacher teaches several subjects and one subject teaches several teachers. This means that many teachers can teach many subjects. A teacher can teach many subjects. A subject can have many teachers. So this is a many-to-many relationship. A many-to-many relationship. In relational database, they don't support many-to-many relationship, or there's no situation like many-to-many relationship. Instead, they create a separate table and it will name one-to-many. So I will show it to you. So to create the many-to-many relationship, first click on this icon and click on teacher and subject. So as I said before, a new table is created. So this table named as teacher has subject. This is the default naming convention. So this is what I explained. So a teacher can have one teacher can have many teacher has subjects, and subject can have many teacher has subject. This is how relational database create many-to-many relationship. This is all for question set 4. Thank you for watching.